So hello dear aspirants, welcome you to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. I am Dr. Malathir, the pediatric dentist and assistant professor in College of Dental Sciences. So aspirants, we are here again with one more informational video regarding INI-CET, that is your Institute of National Importance Combined Entrance Test. So a lot of students have confusion regarding the prospectus. So aims have uploaded that and we are going to discuss all the important points in detail. So first of all, let us understand the basic examination process. First, you have the application, basic registration, followed by generation of your RUC, that is registration unique code. It will be generated between 9th of October till 26th October. Then you have the final registration, which will be around 3rd of November. Then admit card will be uploaded on the website on 10th of November. This is a computer-based test, remember aspirant, followed by 3 hours and 180 questions. Then you have a declaration of the result. They are expecting around 27th of November, which is Friday. After that, you have the invitation of choices and order of preference. Then seat allocation will be there. First, there will be mock round, followed by first round, second round. If needed, they go for the additional open rounds and spot round. So this is the basic map regarding your overall process of INI-CET. It's application, examination and seat allocation. Then aspirants, big thing, that is eligibility criteria. Let's discuss it. So first is what is the eligibility criteria for you to give the exam? So one important thing told by DCI and Government of India is that the student must have completed the required period of 12 months compulsory rotating internship or practical training. So this is the first thing you should remember. Your internship should be completed 12 months before you are going for the examination. Now second question coming, students are asking that so which is the last mentioned date? So remember aspirant, aims have not mentioned any date yet. That part B of information brochure is yet to come. So don't worry, most often we have end of the December or end of the January. So those students whose internship is going to be completed around 30th of December or 30th of Jan, they may be eligible for the examination. But we have to wait till the aims telling us the confirmed date. But remember, 12 months compulsory internship should be completed. Then comes the minimum marks aggregate in your BDS first to final year. So marks aggregate means what? You have to give the average of marks from first to final year. For SC/ST it is 50% marks. For OBC, EWS and general category it is 55% marks. And if any of the student have a supplementary exam in one or more subject, please use only the marks obtained for successful completion. So a lot of students are asking, sir, if my aggregate is 54.5%, whether I am eligible or not. No aspirants, it should be 55 or more than that. And even for sponsored candidate, the same category has to be followed. Then aspirants come for the foreign national candidates. For them also the 55% aggregate is minimum requirement. And they have to obtain NOC, that is no objection certificate, from the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Then come the application fee. For general OBC candidate and foreign national applicant it is 2000. For SC/ST, EWS it is 1500. And the persons with benchmark disability, they are exempted from payment of examination fees. And aspirants, whenever you are paying the fees or filling the form, please do on the laptop or your PC. If you don't have, go to cyber cafe and do it, because you have to take the printout of each and every step, your form, your payment receipt, everything, because they can ask during the seat allocation, anything they can ask. So please have everything. Don't do in your smartphone, okay, especially in the Google Chrome and smartphone. It is not going to helpful to you. There are a lot of errors, lot of bugs will be opened in some tabs. So do it in the PC or laptop and use Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox. Then about the reservation benefits. So aspirants, those who are coming under the SC/ST, OBC, EWS, PWBD, you should have the reservation certificate. So aims have mentioned that when it should be uploaded and what type of certificate you require. So first remember, your OBC NCL certificate should be issued between 27th of October 2019 till your 20 November. EWS certificate should be issued before the date of examination and should be valid for final year 2021. And SC/ST certificate should be issued on or before 20 of November. Fine aspirants, so AIIMS have done very good thing this time, that whatever your registration or reservation benefits you want to obtain, you can upload the certificate from 9th of October till the date of your examination, that is 20th November. Till then it is valid. After that it will not be valid. And please aspirant, you should have the original documents at the time of reporting or joining your seats. Then for sponsored candidate, I have already mentioned, they also have to upload their sponsor certificate in the final registration on or before date of examination, and from Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, not from Ministry of External Affairs. Most common mistakes foreign sponsored candidates are doing. Then come the mode and scheme of examination. Very limited information right now we have. So they have mentioned just it's a 3-hour examination consisting of 200 questions. The cutoff percentile for open category will be 50th, and for OBC SC ST it is around 45th percentile. All the scheme regarding question paper, subject division, everything they are going to upload in part B prospectus. Then aspirants, important websites and number. This is a website you have to follow, aiimsexams.org. Email ID is aims.inicet@gmail.com, and phone number, if you have any doubt you can contact them, that's 1800-117898. So aspirants, whenever you are generating your RUC or any mistake is there in your uploading image or any small error, don't worry, you can email them or you can call them. And whenever you are doing email, write subject properly. Like for example, if you have problem in the image uploading, subject you should write image uploading error. So clear mentioning will help them to evaluate your application very fast. Okay aspirants, and any other details you want along with this, you can contact me. My information, my website, my email ID, everything has been mentioned in the description box. And we have a revision series exam consisting of more than 50 papers, including your past papers, and a revision paper is going on. Along that you can join the lecture series, also single subject selection. If you're down in single subject also, we are ready to help you. In the description box there is one link for the WhatsApp and Telegram group. You can join. We are providing free lectures as well as MCQ discussion to the students. So aspirant, please, very few days of examinations are left, so keep on working. You can check out my playlist regarding the preparation strategy. In the last 90 days I have mentioned, and any other help you want regarding your preparation, regarding your planning, any question, concept doubt, you are welcome. So please work hard. Till then, take care aspirants.